Because 7 was black.
7 was indigo?
Six, 7?
A 6, 7! Janus, what do we want you to run conduit gym for me next time? Well, it's way better in my opinion, but I'm not the mastermind. We're not the mastermind.
You could bounce him up, make him regret.
Huh?
Get him. Oh my god. Knock him up right away.
They just gave up oracles and speed buff for free. What the poop, bro?
XP.
Wait a minute. Stand with me.
Ikeyami, where do we want to
That
go?
was... I don't know what to do.
Must endure.
I don't know, is there a jungle still here? Just look at the jungle side. That was very close.
Unfortunate indeed.
Oh, get him! Yes, Oler, yes!
They're charging up.
He's charging up.
Oh, 1 HP, bro! My game was lagging, bro. It was literally lagging, bro.
Is under attack. I hate when my game's lagging.
My game, where do we start freezing in a tough situation, bro?
Karma shows itself in mysterious ways.
Protected.
Follow my lead.
Time to feel all better, isn't it?
Run before the forest's wrath.
He literally did so much freaking damage, bro.
She's charging alt right.
To me.
Is that shock right lane? Sorry, yo. I mean, sorry, yo.
Shock is not here.
Spirits.
She's going.
Saw?
She's right here.
What do we
Oh,
got?
Athena's here.
We got poop jumbo.
Oh, nice, but I'm sorry.
Oh, that's a thing in Choco.
I think Athena's just... Yeah, I'm not messing around right now. They're getting ballsy.
Enemy missing middle.
Your middle tower is under attack.
An enemy has been slain.
Hold on, wait, Jeb. Fight him, I think he's by himself.
He's way by himself, bro. Can keep on me.
The forest moves with me.
You just fuck him up and I'll just be over here. Oh. Alright, let's turn on him. Let's turn on my bolt. God, that's his jump.
Unstoppable force of nature.
Take a seat.
Missing Ares. Oh, he's mid now, Jeb.
Spirits guide your path.
He
Your
just
left
ulted
tower
me.
is under attack.
The forest moves with me. My way.
On my way.
Enemy missing right.
Yeah, Nate, I'm just wait up.
He's charging all to the left.
What? Bro, what do we think that's illegal, bro? Where do we take that for ball to go, bro? Appreciate
Oh my
it,
god, are you
bro.
killing him?
Karma shows itself in mysterious ways.
Enemy missing middle.
There he is coming. Yeah.
Unstoppable force of nature.
Hold on, I'm chasing this Ares. I'm chasing this Ares.
Oh! 1 second, 1 second, 1 second! I'm out.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Step through this.
Oh, I'm so dead.
Spirit quake.
Alright, where do we find
I don't
him
know
on
how
one
I
butt
I don't know how I lived.
I was able to drop the Ares off of you. It might have helped. I don't know.
Step through this. Watch your step.
The forest
An enemy has
I mean, where do we get out of my lobby, bro?
Shark's missing in the web lane. Be careful over there. Shark might be coming your way.
I did not mean to do that, bro. Where do we on them?
Way to stand with me. Let me aid you.
unstoppable force of nature. Protect him.
taught them to fight like that.
He never expected the flank of the flank. I flanked his flank.
Your right tower is under attack.
Karma shows
Must
itself
go.
in
And I got his
mysterious
speeds
ways.
down.
Well done, spirit
Taking one quack
friend.
quack for the world.
Baron.
Could have taken 2 crack rocks.
Shock, these are down.
Enemy spotted.
Thank you, Queefus.
Hello, fellow protector.
He just ulted. He's going to my XP.
Take a seat.
Enemy missing middle.
Enemy missing middle. Ding, 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 ding.
Before the forest wrath. Unfortunate indeed.
Run, run, run.
Run as fast as you can.
Hey, that's a Kanye West song. I like the other one better though.
of power.
You know which ones I'm talking about? The one that goes hell, hit low, they go hell, hit low.
Why do we gain white
here we
lane
go.
up? Oh, I'm freaking aiming with my butthole.
Who taught them to fight like that?
Oh my god. Jeb, you're electric!
Enemy missing middle.
What is Oler aiming with?
Brother!
Does he have his mouse up his butthole?
I
Trying to
can't
aim?
help,
Which got
buddy!
your path.
Enemy missing middle.
Jeb, you have to come back for the Solar!
Oh, items into the tower. Oh, Neith was standing there.
You have half health, Jeb!
Roll away! Champ, roll away! He's gonna taunt you!
Hey, wait stand with me.
Now roll away!
Shield! Champ, shield! Champ, he's gonna stun you! Roll! Roll!
Spirits, protect me.
Keep one and Jeb, he's still chasing.
He's literally on your behind. What?
The Pyromancer has arrived.
Take a seat.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
Yo, why the fuck did
Slay.
he here?
I don't know what Oler's aiming with. He might have his Logitech 502.
Okay, Neith spent like
Your
10
left
minutes
tower
alright.
is under attack.
They're not doing gold, right?
Oh, he was just mid.
I'm gonna start making.
Enemy missing middle.
Ares is right, so.
Force of nature. Echoes of power.
He's charging all.
On my
Let's
way.
get him, let's get him, let's get him. In the white way.
Shock's middle.
Hold on. There's Ares is here. Howie's on the
He's
Bow, bow,
charging
bow.
all.
Howie's
Hook
over here
yourself
doing
up.
gold.
Oh, he lacking. Run him over.
Moves with me.
Oh my god, give him the sock.
Karma shows itself in mysterious ways.
Shock's now coming.
Boing!
Has been
Out my
slain.
lobby.
Holy cow, you are a man.
Emperor.
Yeah, let's do gold, gold.
Destroyed a right enemy tower.
Let's make them wish they would never bone. No, go Fury, guys. Let's not get addicted to
Gold
kills.
Fury.
That's not how you win the game. That's not how you win the game.
A new threshold.
Alright. Maybe
Hold
we
it!
can get it here. Oh my god.
Take a seat.
If only my
Oh
cap.
my god, get him!
Karma
let's
shows
go,
itself
Fury.
in
Get to
mysterious
go
ways.
Fury.
Attack the gold.
I think we
Your
can, I
middle
think we can.
tower is under attack.
I'm here.
I keep taking yours.
Your left tower is under attack.
Neith is here, but she's just
Your
mid,
middle
so.
tower is under attack.
I can go zone it.
Take a seat.
Your team has destroyed the Gold Fury.
That was very
Your
lucky.
left tower is under attack. Your middle tower is under attack.
Going back to my Wayne. Actually, gonna get an item and then come back to my Wayne.
Gab, you want to take these walks with me, Park?
Yes.
Watch out, Ares behind you.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Enemy missing middle.
Your left tower is under attack.
We can go kill him. You want to kill this guy?
Might be killable if I hit my axe.
I could silence him.
I need to axe him a question. He got put on. He needs to turn his headphones off.
He had no clue.
Maybe you guys can make a move for the helmets. We'll put a Naga.
Your middle tower
Sweep
is
the
under
Naga.
attack.
Naga's so fucking
Let's get this Naga, yeah.
Nigga? The nigga?
Yeah.
Yeah, get to nigga.
That was no match for the squad, the goon
Now let's
squad.
go middle and kill.
A new threshold.
Athena's like unflankable right here.
I'm coming.
Karma
Oh my
shows
god.
itself
She
in
died immediately.
mysterious ways.
I just lamentation.
Let's get Pyromancer. Pyro?
If you win high submit, you just want to win.
I dropped the wizards.
Oh yes, approximately incoming in approximately 2 mics.
The enemy team has destroyed
How did they get the fire giant?
Your middle tower has been destroyed.
The hell,
Your
Wheel.
middle tower is under attack.
Who taught him?
I literally just flicked him with my axe and pooped in his throat.
Killed a Neath, actually. I mean, the Waywis.
Your team has destroyed a middle enemy.
An enemy has been slain.
We're gonna go big file here, boys, if we don't get addicted.
Unstoppable force by nature.
Let's get the big
Ooh, damage farm.
We could do the big fire.
Would we have to return to the base? Would we?
You don't want to do it with us?
You can do it with us.
You can do it.
Your left tower is under attack.
Alright, let's get Quasi.
What are we hitting the Gwydions, guys?
I said right foot free, boo, walking without
When are we doing the fire giant, Elbow?
Your left tower.
The devil under his feet is on his way to see him.
What do we? Don't have my
Neath
off.
is incoming, Neath is incoming, Neath is incoming. In approximately 2 mics. He's coming in.
Your team has
Nope, and we
destroyed the
burned it.
fire giant.
A new threshold.
Get it? 'Cause
You
it's
got it.
Lava and burning. Lava
Your
burns.
right tower
Burned
is
it.
under attack.
No one escapes. Protected.
Here it comes. Your
He's
right
1
tower is
HP.
under
Please
attack.
kill him. Shock is what
I'm
are we
gonna go
supposed to-
teleport. I'm gonna go teleport, right?
Your right tower has been destroyed.
There's 12 people that... It's not a strict order.
12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
There you go, Nate. Probably good.
Alright, very good. I'm going white. I'm gonna push out white. I'm not with you guys. Do you want me there? Are we getting crazy? I don't... What are we doing?
This is literally not good. For
I had
the
no
team.
health and I backed.
Time to take action.
I can come mid, but this is no good.
How did he know I was behind it?
I won't let you down.
Karma shows itself in mysterious ways.
Bye bye, Baron. You're literally dead.
2 for 1. There was a lot of anger in their heart.
My fucking dagger didn't go off because I was in the middle of hitting my portal as I died.
Oh, what are we hitting the gritty?
What do we think my computer would have blown up?
Now they're hitting the Gwydion.
Chase money. 3 Sigmas. Oh, running.
Oh, wait, hold on. We have to focus. We have so much more than them, and we're only 1,000 ahead.
Money.
Your middle tower is under attack.
The pyromancer has arrived.
Not stealable. Not stealable.
The enemy team has destroyed the Gold Fury.
Hello, fellow protector. Chillin' with them.
Yo, okay, who is wall hacking, bro? What do we just ran up to the wall and threw his 2 over the wall and jumped over it. Telling me he's cheating without telling me he's cheating.
Be careful.
He's literally looking at me through the wall. I see him on the ward.
Careful, boys, I'm not there.
They might have it warded too.
Oh.
Should we fight mid here?
Average smite player.
Let's just go Pyromancer.
Yeah, do pyro.
There's ult down.
Take a seat.
Enemy spotted. Your team has destroyed the pirate.
Oh my god!
Died.
No, Athena, what do we ult to me, bro?
Oh, don't fight here. I don't think, Janice. Oh my god. Ares behind.
Oh!
I just got deleted. Leave this fight right now, please.
Two big games from me, honest.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Win them all.
Suck them all.
Double kill.
Get him, Janiceus.
Walk him down.
I'ma show
Yes,
Holy
there's-
turnaround.
you.
What a turnaround. There's a baby. Oranges has a
Oh,
baby.
there's a baby! Somebody has a baby!
Stop yelling! Oh, okay. Yeah, and I just clipped that.
Enemy tower.
When are we reporting you to Xbox administration and they will ban you?
Get the Naga.
I've been recording everything you say all game, Oranges.
Woo!
The forest moves with me.
You know, racism is not good, alright?
It's great.
Yo, we don't need to scream! Shut up! Where do we kill? And then where we
What do we? You guys sound like cousins.
When are we all we retarded? When are we were above the age of 15, bro?
They just call you a nigga?
Racism is not good. Black people died during slavery and stuff. I don't care.
And stuff. Oh god, I think they want to kill you.
Enemy has been
Oh my god, I just got sniped by Honest.
Before the forest rise.
Nice! Oh, when do we hit the teleporter right before you used it, retard?
I'm coming mid, let's fight.
Oh, I'm out.
Oh, gold's up, gold.
Attack the gold fury.
Be right back.
Baccarat.
Everybody come here in case they want us to steal it.
What are we doing? The fire giant. I just saw the giant fireball orb.
Your team has destroyed the gold fury.
I need a Janus ult straight over there immediately, bro.
Oh yeah, I'm
Don't have
coming.
it. Oh, ye ult's down.
Yeah. Oh my god, you already, they were doing it?
Let me aid you.
Steal it from them.
Time ready.
Sunder it!
Team has
No, did we got it, bro? What the poo?
Alright, make them all die.
Make them suffer.
They got away?
Force of nature.
Make
Karma shows itself. Miss who taught them to fight?
no escaping death.
An enemy.
No escaping death.
Your left tower is under attack.
The forest moves with
Alright,
me.
push them and I'll push mid.
Spirit
Dagger, good dagger.
And we're hopping straight on the mid Phoenix. There, what are we not paying attention?
Right tier 2, right tier 2.
unstoppable force of
Good call outs. Good call.
before the forest rise.
Your team has destroyed a right.
Right, a gentleman and a scholar. Right, a gentleman and a scholar.
Let's not be greedy. Let's go Pyro. Let's go.
You stop talking about mom. The ugly, bro.
Janice should be crazy.
Hey, wait a minute.
I'm too low to help you guys.
My puppy is literally an idiot. Get out of there, dummy!
Air cheat.
A comrade has fallen.
Yo, shut up!
Echoes of power.
Suck this guy.
Power of the forest.
Chase money! Christmas! I'm running!
Alright, Yo, where did we hurt my ears?
Your team has destroyed the Pyromancer.
Naga.
Naga!
Someone pick up that bomb.
Boom!
Let's gank white lane.
Squeeby, squeeby. Spawn!
Karma shows mysterious wind.
Pick gold for free. Then we take all the phoenixes.
Good looks.
Your team has destroyed the gold.
Alright, right to right phoenix, right?
Yeah, let's go right to right. Go through the
Attack
jungle
right
though,
lane.
so they don't know.
Yeah, don't walk through the lane.
Unstoppable.
Very
let's
easy.
do it.
Enemy on the door, bro.
Get in there, Jib, get in there, Jib.
Bruh.
Your left tower is under attack.
Someone auto attack at once? Someone auto attack at one time? Alright.
They had bad things.
Oh, he won!
Never got any word.
Alright, everybody run away or they're gonna get a free fire.
All good things.
This is bad news. Jeb is dead. Jeb is the one and only Jeb. It's a hairy situation. Janice, you're gonna want to click B and hawk straight for the fire. No, what are we hawking? What are we doing it? I'm sorry to say they're doing it.
They're not. Their ADCs are mid.
Are they? He's gooning per
Oh,
chance.
they're doing it. They are
Don't
doing
die for
it.
it, Janice.
Oh,
See if you
they're,
can ult it, maybe. Or...
they're doing you alright. They're coming into the bush. They're coming into the bush. Jesus, wake up!
Oh my god.
To fight
Were
like
you asleep? Were you fentanyl folding? Were you folding off fentanyl?
He was doing something.
One look at his
The
screen.
enemy team has
Oh
destroyed.
my god, so with Fire Giant we might be at a disadvantage.
Oh god. If you kill her now, we could be in a good spot.
I believe in you.
Oh my god!
Pyro?
No.
Pyro, it'll take that tier 1.
Your team has destroyed the Pyromancer. Your team has destroyed a left enemy tower.
Insurance. Oh well.
Do we push mid while they're down one or no? Actually, they have fire still, so wait.
New op pack in the air.
Let's see if we can catch somebody before this Gold Fury.
Take this Naga.
Oh, do the Naga, yeah, Naga. More gold.
Take out.
They know you're there, bro. I would run.
It's fine.
A new threshold.
They don't know anything. I'm a
They're
little
going
stealthy
gold.
ninja.
I'm gonna
a
go
stealthy
middle while
ninja. I'm a
get the
stealthy
Phoenix.
ninja. They're all middle Phoenix.
Alright, Athena is not there, so we should do pink gold now.
Before the forest dry.
Oh, let's see what you could do over there, yeah.
Oh, Anithis, what do we all me, bro?
Your team has destroyed the Gold Fury.
The way is open.
Alright, let's see if we can kill people and get a sweeper end. Oh, Uller's pushing left, which is good.
Oh, they're all hawking straight over. I see Athena's little pervert butt coming over.
Well, they're gonna have to
Let's
go.
not be crazy, guys. Oh, you mean, yeah, take her.
Do it, to her left, do it, do it, tank.
Do it and then immediately leave. Oh,
Never mind.
I'm not killing, but I'll play my part. Shoot you down, fix it. Shoot.
Oh my god. I almost got the Hoi. Run.
A new threshold. The way is open.
Everybody just run or the game's over, so just use everything to run away. Oh, no.
Bare insanity.
He had nothing to do. Just run. We still have towers and stuff, so recall quick. Try to get just look at them at the second tower, but don't fight them. You know what I'm saying?
Your right tower is under attack.
A new threshold.
Your right tower has been destroyed.
A new threshold.
Oh.
Has been slain.
It's not a super flex, right?
Your middle tower is under attack.
Yo, you gotta chill. You're throwing this game, brother.
Your middle tower has been destroyed.
Oh, I got pulled mid-air through the wall, bro.
Bye.
Here it comes! No one escapes!
Spirit's gone. Echoes of power.
Alright, that's his ult. I really want to kill. Hold on, get in here.
Run.
Wait a minute.
Behind the wall.
I died with
Protect
honor.
me. Unfortunate indeed.
Oh,
Oh, back worse.
Battle ready. Hey, wait a minute.
oh,
Shut down.
And don't give up.
alrighty.
Take this
We are
knife.
so back.
Protected.
We should do gold or something.
Yeah, go right to go. Go right to go. Homie.
Before the forest strike.
Just stay for now.
Your team has destroyed the Gold Fury.
Do pyro.
Echoes of power. Spirits gone.
Oh, let's leave. Let's leave. Let's leave. Let's leave.
Leave, 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 leave. Aller, go take. Oh, wait, Aller. I was gonna say
Alex,
take
stop
everything.
fighting. Please, team. Please squad up with us one time, and we're gonna win. He's fighting them. Just fight mid. Fight mid. Fight mid.
A new threshold.
Of course, bro. Neathsol just did 1,700 damage, bro. Huh?
She's gonna ult you every time if no one else is fighting.
Now we're fucked. It's just
Now they
coming
might get
fire.
free fire. Free.
Your left tower is under attack.
An enemy has been slain.
They get fire, but
I
it's up
just
for
found Athena
Your
doing
best
nothing.
room's going to.
There, what are we on fire? There, what are we on fire?
I have ult. I have ult. I can try.
Your left tower is under attack.
On my way.
Your team
This
has
beats.
destroyed a right enemy Phoenix. The enemy team has destroyed the fire giant. Your left tower is under attack. Your team has destroyed a middle enemy Phoenix.
He's getting up on Giannis. Oh, he's dead.
Karma shows itself in mysterious.
Your team is
That's a Phoenix sweep.
Oh my! Konami just slimed out the.
Phoenix sweep. Kill the knee.
An enemy.
Kill them all, please. Just run away, Jeb.
Slain.
They could no longer have any fun. Don't fight, don't fight. Don't fight, because they could do so much if you die. Oh, maybe that Athena dies, though.
Save some fighting
Don't
for
give
me.
Let's go. Big plays, actually.
Spirits gone.
Karma
Big
shows
plays.
itself in
Just
mysterious
push middle
ways.
lane. Shock's right lane. Alright, everybody go storm middle lane right now. Ares is dead. Athena's dead. We should win right now.
Here, come this way. I'll ult it up there.
Yeah, everybody just come mid.
I'm not there, just be careful.
Wait, you don't have to fight them. We can just win.
Enemy
Oh, okay, that's
has
fine.
been slain.
That's huge. They kill these. Wait, don't chase it, we'll just end.
Yeah, we have 15 seconds for Athena.
A new pressure.
No!
Fight like that.
Echoes of power.
Alright, go win, go win.
Try and
A
end.
new pressure.
Alder, you have to go with them.
No, I just killed Neath, like.
The game! If 3 of them are dead.
Best ease.
Alright, just leave. This is crazy. I don't know what you're farming when we have all 3 phoenixes at the end
I
of the
killed Neath.
Your ally died with honor.
Huh?
Echoes of power.
Time to take action.
Protected ground. Before
Karma
the
shows
forest
itself
cry.
in mysterious ways.
Cannot escape. That one had your name on it. You can't outrun my bow. I will end this.
Let's see if we can get more of these phoenixes.
Or just take Gold Fury.
Oh, let's do gold.
Back to square one.
Gold, gold, gold.
A new pressure.
Your team has destroyed the Gold Fury.
The forest moves with me.
Be careful.
Echoes of power. Unstoppable.
An enemy has been slain.
Alright, let's go for Phoenix Fury.
Phoenixes, all 3.
Your team has destroyed a middle enemy Phoenix.
Before the forest rise.
Stay, Euler, stay. Where you going?
Still, just a little prick.
Get through this.
Scar.
I'm leaving. Let's just get fire.
Let's do fire, yeah, do fire.
Get fire.
The forest moves with me.
Straight to fire, who use mid.
Pyro may drop that Phoenix.
We could do pyro for that phoenix.
I don't know if it kills it.
He drops it.
We'll get it
Just
after fire.
Do this quick, yeah.
They're coming.
Just rape
I
it.
don't have my ult.
That's way to be not good. That's way to be all ult.
Walk out, walk out.
And don't give up.
Get out, Junior.
I'm trying.
Ares is in right. He's probably coming to that teleporter.
Are they chasing me or did they give up?
Gave up.
It's back.
I'm backing.
Ares is split pushing right.
Well, our minions are gonna be winions, so we just have to watch white lane.
They can't get anything.
Do you think they all backed?
Take a seat.
Your team has destroyed the pyromancer.
There's a bomb over here, but I can't hold that.
Let's group go Fury, pick go Fury.
Do this, spend our gold, get our pots, and win.
Your team has destroyed.
Really need to avoid the Athena.
Wait, are we going to win right now, or?
Fed person. Let's push right.
I don't have enough gold for anything, but Athena's the issue for me.
I have enough for a
Shock
red
is-
pot, but I'm gonna...
Yeah, Chalk as well.
Enemy spotted.
Turn on shock.
Karma shows itself in mysterious ways.
Oh my god, bro.
Go run away,
Literally
run away.
Athena, bro.
Nature. Tremble before the forest's wrath.
Turn on him. Oh,
Fought well.
just run. Oh no!
Best ease.
So not worth. Oh my
I
god,
knew
you
you
were
were
there
there.
for 40 seconds. This is crazy. How you still there though, that's good. Just do not get caught out. Alright, so Uller, see if you can get... Oh god, guys.
Time to take action.
The pyromancer has arrived.
Oh, what did he kill me?
Was that
Good kill.
your technique?
How did Athena live?
Huge plays. Let's make a play to win the game. Oh, get the heavy.
Oh, get him? Oh no! Do it!
Spirit wait.
Boing! Knock him out! Boing! Grrr. Oh!
Still,
Immersing!
Honest.
Grrr. Ting! Ting!
Has been
Alright.
flayed.
Storm right lane, I guess?
No, push
mid.
mid and win. Push mid and win. We're going
Push
to it right
mid. Win mid right now. They're dead for 70 seconds. Let's go.
The forest moves
Kill those minions.
with me.
Oh, yeah, it is to the right of the bush.
Enemy spot. Be careful.
Is she there still? We could check, but
Enemy spot.
Just careful he doesn't teleport in and 4-man tunnel.
I'm being pressured.
To the right.
Hey, wait a minute.
hold on. This is not going good right now.
Must endure.
Who taught them to fight? Who taught
trade.
them to fight like that?
Daggers.
Karma shows itself. in
Not a good
mysterious
trade.
ways.
How you dead for 25 seconds though?
Enemies at the fire giant.
Oh my god, Athena still has shell up. I can't even axe her.
She was right on me a second ago.
They're not doing fire, right? He knows you're there. They know you're there.
Before the forest rise. The forest moves with me.
There was a
Good kill. Oh, dude, Waller, behind you. Why are you making sounds?
Huh?
You're just making sounds. This Ares is right there.
Stay catch.
Yo! I can't with the top, bro. Oh my god. I'm gonna need Giannis to play better.
What do you
Huh?
want me to do, dude? If she looks at me, I die.
Just kidding. I'm playing like awful poop.
Winions. Hopefully Winion's right. Oh, Shock's there. That means we should kill somebody while he's there.
Or should go Pyro.
Go Pyro, go Pyro.
Who mid?
It might
One goal.
get, if we get it really quick, it might kill that thing.
Before the forest rise.
Go right to fire after this.
Your team has destroyed the Pyromancer.
Oh, it's 1 HP! Oh, Ares is hopping? Ares is hopping? Athena's in the bush.
The enemy team has
Okay,
destroyed the
well, okay.
That's
Oh.
crazy.
Why did Giannis not save ult for that?
Alright, well, don't fight this now.
Your middle Phoenix is under attack.
Alright, I'm getting a red pot and then I'll meet you guys there.
I don't think we defend this.
I ain't a blood, but I stay crippin' on the block. But I ain't still
No,
getting
don't
away.
die for the tier 2. Yeah, don't die for the tier 2.
Rise.
Retreat!
Retreat!
Let's get this Eye of the Jungle thing.
Just a little prick.
Yep, don't go over there.
That's death trap, bro.
That's where you wanted to go, right? They warded. They're warding everywhere.
What are we putting wards down?
I'm gonna go push out left lane a little bit. So, wait, guys,
Oh,
don't
I
fight
just-
this.
I just almost killed who with one
Don't
combo.
fight. Don't
Wait,
fight. 'cause this doesn't-
Neathol. That's baited.
I want to
The
push out
enemy
left lane,
team
guys.
has
They got
destroyed
that.
the Gold Fury.
Just stay back.
Knee salt down.
Oh my god, I'm so close to 5th potion.
I'm recalling.
Not fightable.
Alright, everybody come to the right, Phoenix.
Your right Phoenix is under attack.
Time to take action.
Your right Phoenix is under attack.
Fucked him up. I fucked him up.
Has been slain.
I fucked him up a lot.
You have been slain. They have
That one hit me! That one hit me, that ult. Run away before he one hits you.
Your right Phoenix is under attack.
A new threshold. Get through this.
Just don't let them walk to that Phoenix. They're gonna try and get it. You'll hopefully get a kill steal.
Your right Phoenix is under attack. Your right Phoenix has been destroyed.
I did some good damage. That's a kill.
Kill, go kill, go kill.
I believe in you.
And it's like 30 seconds after everybody else, so that's a big kill.
Statistically,
Oh,
Oh my god, I just got destroyed.
yeah. Everybody has so many pots that it just...
2 for
Oh my
1.
god, go
It's gotta be
win.
game,
Taught
right?
them to fight.
This should be game. 3 of them are dead for 70 seconds.
Let's push white lane, yo.
On my
I'm gonna
way.
push left lane.
Push up mid, push up mid, push up mid.
Just mid? Okay. Jeb, you come with me. Jeb, you come with me.
Baron, they're coming.
Attack middle lane.
Uh-oh.
Beats down on how you.
Karma shows itself
Good kill,
in
good kill.
mysterious ways.
Spirit quake.
This has to be game.
Of nature.
Who taught them to fight like that?
On my way.
Tank it, tank
Your
it.
team has
Just
destroyed
kill the
middle
fucking
Phoenix.
Athena. Don't let her
Caught up
fucking
with
kill
them.
the
Your
Izzy.
team has destroyed
Yeah,
the
just don't let her
right
kill
enemy
me.
Phoenix.
Oh my god, he's by.
Oh my gosh.
God, she was so
And
annoying, dude.
that shot called me poop last game too.